Alright, just in case you haven't realized, I'm using my cell phone here. I am trying to configure the Slingbox Pro HD with the Xfinity X1 box, the DVR. You go to Setup Assistant, and just in case you guys don't know, you need the original desktop app for the Sling player, not the updated one. So you select the connection you have. I'm going for antenna in. Hit next. Select external cable box. Hit next. And this is the part where it really gets interesting here. Select standalone, DVR digital video recorder. Do not select cable box. Hit next. Select Comcast, and for the model, you select the X1. Hit next. Hit next. Once the channel guide loads up, it'll ask you, or you have to hit the power here. It's just a formality. Nothing happens to the cable box. Hit next. No update found. Hit next. And here are the settings that I'm using. Change the channel. Once we hit send, as you can see, it works. The only problem I had with this was the IR blaster that comes with the Slingbox. If you put it on top of where the remote sign is, it'll not work. You have to put some spacing between them so that the signal actually reaches the cable box. I've got approximately about 6 to 8 inches of space between the IR blaster and the cable box. Now you just gotta set up the internet viewing and you're all set. Now my router is not listed here, the manufacturers, but not the model. I have an RX or an X10, what is it again? I have a Netgear Nighthawk X10 R9000 and it's not listed, so I've selected my router is not listed. Hit next, and it gives me some settings there, which I will enter manually into my router so I can connect. So you can see I've done the changes on my router. And once you finish that, setting up your internet viewing, you're all done. Good luck. Sorry for the shaky video. I just needed to do this for a lot of people out there that are having problems like me. Finally figured it out. Good luck, guys.